Together with the men and women of our Philippine Navy, I warmly welcome everyone to the inaugural Drone Warfare Summit here in the Philippines. The first of its kind, which aims to bring to the forefront the transformative role of unmanned systems in modern warfare.
This event is both timely and crucial as it is a testament to our nation's commitment to innovation, resilience, and defense self-reliance. In light of the fact that we live in an era where technology defines not only economic competitiveness, but also national security. May this summit serve as a beacon of collaboration, creativity, and courage as we chart the chapter of the Philippines' defense modernization journey.
Drones are a game changer, especially when you look at David versus Goliath type warfare. The Philippines is really leading the way on trying to find out what innovations are out there and how it is that they can cooperate with ASEAN nations and become a powerhouse of drone capability and maritime domain awareness.
Philippines has a lot of island right now. System can, separate it operational using about the satellite system. That is really helpful for ISL and then you depend on your territory overseas also.
Hello from Havoc AI, a collaborative maritime autonomy company focused on low-cost drone swarming. We're excited to be here at the Drone Warfare Summit 2025 and bringing capability to the Philippine Navy.
Maritime robotics will definitely help the situation that we have in West Philippine Sea.
And we're very, very proud to be here at the first ever Drone Warfare Summit. Today we're presenting all of our unmanned aerial system offerings. I'd like to congratulate the Navy on a very successful summit, and we really look forward to repeating this in the years to come, and happy to be here. Thank you so much again.
The summit has exceeded our expectations in terms of the reception of the delegates, the insights that we have formed, and the feedback from our partners. The future of drone warfare in the Philippines, as I can see it, is really about integration. The industry, the academe, to shape a self-reliant and ethical and sustainable defense ecosystem.
As we bring the Drone Warfare Summit 2025 to a close, I invite all of us to reflect on what we have collectively accomplished over the past 8 days. Beyond discussions centered on technology, it is our concerted efforts expressed through converging ideas and aspirations that pave the way for the success of this event.
That is why we are sharing our technology with you, because we want the Philippines to be ready. Dapat kita tayo parami. I look forward to the day when Philippine designed, Philippine operated, and Philippine maintained unmanned systems proudly fly our flag, safeguarding the sovereignty of our nation.